But the thing you have to notice here is we are not client employees. Our records will not be hired in their system. We are just implementation partners. We are home team, implementation consultants or implementation users or partners. We are here only to configure the application and handing over to them and leaving. So our team, the implementation team, will not have any employee records created in their system. Then for us, how the user accounts will be created? Manual. So team, this differentiation you have to notice, okay? For the employees in the company, system will automatically create whenever in the core HR module hiring transaction happening. This practically I will cover when we come to core HR transactions. But at this initial point of time, we all are implementation consultants to the client. We are there to configure the system. We are not the employees of them. So we will not be hired in the system as their employee. We all require just user accounts only to log in and to start configuring all the modules and handing over to them. So we have manual way of creation, not only for us team. Sometimes when hiring happening due to some data discrepancies or data errors or glitches, for employees also, system might not automatically create. Even for them also, manual option is there. HR after hiring the employee, they can create the user accounts manually. Now let us see the system from the manual perspective. Because at the initial stage, once we get one account access to our project manager or team lead, we use that account to log in and we create remaining all team member accounts in the system in a manual way only. So let us see where we have to navigate and where we can create new user account. We have one functional area called security console. Under tools functional area, we have something called security console. Security console. See here. Now let me go to home. Let me go to home. So here team. Now assume that this is the account that client side people given for our project manager or team lead. We logged in with that account team. Now once you log in, if you want to work on the security part or user creation part, click on this arrow in the springboard. Functional areas will move. Here you will have a functional area by name tools. Go to tools work area here. Tools. Okay. Under tools, we have something called security console. Lock symbol and we have a shield button. See, security. In Fusion application, entire security will be handled in this option only. If anyone from e-business suite background used to have Oracle identity management, a separate URL or an application extension, but within Fusion application, within tools, we have security console. That is what I given to you here. Tools, security console. Click on it. Click on it. You will land upon this particular screen. Okay. Here you have roles, users, analytics, different options team. I will come to roles in next couple of minutes. So if you want to create any new user account, come to users here, users. Then you will land upon user account screen. Here you should come to add user account. Click on add user account. Okay. Click on add user account. Then you will land upon team add user account screen. Okay. So here we are going to create the new user accounts in the system. So associated person type, we have two options in the drop down. None worker. As I told you, if you are creating an account for the worker in the system, means already in the core HR module, if any employee record HR created, but because of some data issues and all account not created, HR want to create manually, then choose the person type as worker. Then one more field will open. Already employee data you created? No. They are searchable here, team. You can search the employee for whom you want to create the account. So as it's a demo environment, we have some employees data. They are resulting. You can click on OK. The details also will copy from that details. So if HR admin creating the user account for any employee in the system, person type worker we have to give. Let me cancel and come again. If you are creating the accounts for our implementation users, for our team members team, then person type keep it none, because our accounts are not assigned to any employee record. We are not employees in the client system. Just user accounts we require to work in their system. So person type keep it none. Then keep it active while you creating the account. Then only it will work, team. Locked we will see in the next 20 30 minutes of time what is locked. Now let me create the account first of all, just to keep it active. Then user information category by default will have default. This also we are going to see probably tomorrow. Separate topic is there. Then here you are going to insert team, something like I am giving a something like a Pramod, last name Triotech I am giving. First name Pramod, last name Triotech, means as my company name I am giving that. But generally that person first name, last name you can give. Your name is Suresh Raj. Then you can give Suresh Raj, or your name is Ramesh Verma. Ramesh Verma you can give. Whatever the name that you can give. So the moment I given first name and last name, if I come to next field, system will take up the username here, team. Pramod.triotech. Then email I am giving. So as of now, one of my personal email in the system I am giving. Okay, this is my personal email ID. Generally, whatever that user email you can give, and you can give the phone number also here. Okay. Then the password details you can give and confirm the password. Okay. So like this, we can create the user accounts for all of our team members. So come to users, add user account and give the user information accordingly. Now, creating the user account is sufficient. Huh? Now I'm creating one account, user account by name Pramod. Okay. Triotech, one account I'm creating now. So creating the user account is sufficient. No, with this account, what roles what access Pramod should have in the system? Now, okay, I'm creating an account for Pramod. Now, when Pramod login into the system with these credentials, to what access Pramod should have, team? Here comes the concept of role management in the Fusion system. Creating the user account is not sufficient. In Fusion application, entire security working on a one single concept called RBAC, RBAC, roles based access control. What is that, team? RBAC, roles based access control. For every module in the system, in order to access all the functionalities of that module, Oracle delivered certain seeded roles in the system. Let me take up these modules example. Okay. So I'm taking this modules thing. For every module, Oracle delivered certain roles. For let's say if you come to this sheet, team, this sheet I will share with you today. For every module, I told you we have different configurations within them. This is global HR module. These all are the concepts or configuration. If you come to absence module, these are the configurations and transaction. Then payroll module, these are the configurations and transaction. In order to access all the configurations or the functionalities in that module, Oracle delivered certain roles for core HR, absence, and for talent modules team. We have the roles by name human resource manager. Don't worry, I will give you Excel sheet that contains all the list of roles in HCM for every module wise. Okay, after the class, I will share. Human resource specialist, then human resource analyst. Okay, for core HR, for absence, talent, and for OTL. In order to access those modules, these roles are sufficient. For payroll module, Oracle given the roles like payroll manager, payroll administrator, like that. Then for compensation module, we have compensation manager, then compensation administrator, like that. Then for OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud, we have learning specialist. Then for recruiting module, ORC, we have hiring manager, recruiting specialist. We have couple of roles accordingly, team. The detailed list I will give to you. So whenever any new user account being created, whatever the roles that we add to the user when he log in into the system, he will get access to all that modules and their functionalities. Now for our testing purpose, what I will do, one basic role by name employee, we have team. Okay, that I will attach to our Pramod. Okay, so what roles we are attaching is the question here. So now what I'm doing, we have one basic role called employee. Generally for our accounts, we don't assign. For employee accounts, we will assign where they will get the basic self-service access. But now let me add that. One basic role by name employee, I'm tagging to Pramod. Let's see by logging with that role, what access Pramod will get. Then I will add our module related roles and I will show you how the access getting improvised. So here, after giving the user information, we have a role section here only. Click on add role. If you want to add any roles to the user, we have to come to add role. So here you can search team, right? All the roles Oracle delivered, you can search here, employee. So whatever the role that comes with the code, this is role name, this is code, Aura, that is Oracle delivered standard role. In demo instance, for your previous batch, I completed custom role creation classes and all. They're practicing creating the custom role that we have future scope. Now let me show you how to add the seeded roles team. When you people practicing also use the seeded one. Aura one is Oracle delivered one. Select it, click on add role membership, close it. Now see here, for our Pramod, the account which we are creating, that basic role we attach it. Kumar, what is auto provision? What is remove? What is cross button assignable? That we will come next. Okay. Now let's see how to create the account. Right. So Pramod.triotech, password I given, confirm password, role, the basic employee role I given. Save one, close. Save one, close. Now the account will get created in the system. See now? So this will be the first activity you have to do as soon as you got access to the client portal. Okay, by using the account which client given to us for our project manager, we have to log in with that and we have to create the access to all of our team members. Either you have to create or your colleagues will create. Up to your understanding, you can work on that accordingly in real time. But You should know how to do that, team. So let me save and close. It's taking more time than usual. Let's wait. Generally, it won't take this much of time. Sometimes our training environments will have slight server level performance issues. So we can expect a very slight lagging in the system. Generally, just one click. If you click on save and close, just like that, it will create. But let me wait for more couple of seconds and then I will refresh the screen. Sometimes long time, if we be on the screen, same screen also, this kind of stucking will come. Let's wait. Mhm. Let me refresh. Probably it should get complete. Yes, the screen got stuck, team. Let me open it in incognito. Okay, let me check out. Just I open incognito simple. So let me go to tools, security console. Let me verify it whether the account created or not. Let me come to user section. So for creating, we went here, right? So if any existing accounts in the system, if you want to check, you can come here, user accounts, and you can search team. So what is that account name? Pramod dot Triotech. Let me check out. If not, I will create it quickly. See, it got created. Yes, the screen got stuck on the another window. Simple. So you can filter with username or email what you know about that record. You can check out. Now see, team, I created an account by name pramod.triotech. Now shall we log in with this credentials and shall we check out, team? Huh? Let me let me sign out. In another window, I'm going here now. So currently I'm logged in incognito with my account hcm.lab. Now let us try to log in with the Pramod account in another window. Pramod.triotech. Okay, now see the new account which I created. For your understanding purpose, in two tabs I am working in my Google Chrome. In one tab, my login is there. In one tab, new account which we created just now. See, pramod.triotech, the account which we created. Uh, 1 second, team. I think password is not taking up because it took long time, but it's stuck, right? Let me do one thing quickly. This I will cover to you, but just let me reset and let me quickly work on that. Okay. Now see, team, I logged in with pramod.triotech. Now, what access Pramod will get in a system, you please observe here. Now, what access that Pramod will get in the system, you please observe here. There is some issue with the instance, very slow. See, good evening, Pramod Triotech. What I have, team? What I have, team? The others, the HR, IT, HR operations, tools. Only these four icons I could able to see here. Functional area. If I come here also, what I have in the navigator, you see here. Only these four options coming up in the navigator also. Tools, HR operations, HR IT. Then if I come here also team, what I can see here, settings and action, only these options. But in my login, if you notice here team, okay, screen is getting stuck. My goodness, today unfortunately this instance is also having an issue. So okay, do one thing. Just I'm stopping my screen share. What I will do is I'll take one more environment team because there is some technical glitch that I can expect here in the interview. I mean in the instance because the instance is very slow and it's getting stuck frequently. I will get one more training environment. Just give me 1 minute time. I'm keeping everyone in. And also just I am unsharing my screen. Just I need to log into my Oracle server and I used to get. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll get new server for today's class and we will start from beginning. It won't take much time. Just a second, team. Just 1 minute, team. I'm getting the new environment for today. Okay. This issue. Dims. A team, actually, the another environment is also is under maintenance. Let me try with the same URL. Let me log in again. Okay. So now we created an account that is Pramod.Triotech team. And what role we given? Just a basic employee role we given. With this role, what access Pramod is getting now? And with my login, what access I'm getting in the system, you please observe here. Whatever the account that I'm using, when I log in into the system, how many things I could able to see here in the Springboard area. I can see sales, Redwood sales, service, me, my team, procurement, my client group. In the navigator also, if I go, I could able to see many options here. And even if I come to the right side, setup and maintenance, settings and action, administration, work area, setup and maintenance. But what about this Pramod account? Just now we created, no. Only these four sections coming. Under tools also, no security console. And here if I come, only these things are coming. Where is this administration work area? What I could able to see here? Huh? Where are they? How many things I could able to see here? That's what the concept of RBAC is. Roles based access control means creating the user account is not sufficient. What roles you are tagging to the user will get access to all that modules or functionalities in the system. Now what we will do, we will go to our Pramod account. We will tag all our module related roles to Pramod team. Compensation, learning, okay. All the module related roles we will attach to Pramod, and then we will see by logging in as Pramod whether any access have been improvised or not. So I'm going to my account team, the HCM lab, what I'm using. So wherever you went to create the new user account, if you want to edit and update anything to the user account also, we have to go to the same navigation. Go to tools work area, under tools security console, and then come to user section, and here for creating the new we went here existing user account. If you want to search, you can search here pramod.triotech. So this is the account just now we created team. Now let us add more roles to Pramod and check out. Click on this user. You will be landing upon user account details screen here. When you click on that user account details screen, see whatever the information we given Pramod Triotech. Okay, username, first name, last name, email, phone number, and roles team. So actually we given employee role. I think someone parallelly practicing and they removed now. So my request is please don't do any practice whenever I am doing in the class. If you do that, see, I added employee role. Someone removed it. So please don't do that, folks, please. Now, if you want to add more roles to the user account, you can come here, click on edit button. Now the entire page will become editable. Not only roles adding, any updations to the username, first name, last name, email, these all details also you can do. Active, locked, we will come to this later. Here, roles, add role. Now I'm adding that basic employee role again, and then team. Along with that, I am also adding our module related roles to promote. Human resource manager. Let me search here. So all Oracle delivered roles you can see. Aura one only you pick up. Remaining all are duplications. Please ignore. Why they are coming? I will tell you in the coming sessions. So Aura one, select add role membership. That also will get added to Pramod. Then human resource specialist. Okay. The list I will provide to you after the session. You can refer that. For each module, what roles are required. Then human resource analyst. Okay. And then payroll manager. Payroll manager. then payroll administrator, right team? Now all the module related roles I am attaching to Pramod, then compensation administrator, then learning specialist for OLC module to access. We have learning specialist, right team? Then see now here for our Pramod account, I came to his account and I'm adding all the module related roles. Not only that, if someone, whenever they log into the system with their account, under tools, security console, if they have to accessible, for that also we have a role by name called IT security manager role. If this role assigned to your user account, then only whenever you log in under tools, security console access will come to you. So any user account related activities you want to perform means this role also required to you. So let me add that role also to Pramod now, IT security manager. Okay. And then team, whenever we log in with my account, in the right side, if I click on settings and action, administration work area coming. So here I told you yesterday, setup and maintenance is very important task. Going forward, any module we are going to implement, all setups we will find out from here only. So this administration access in the settings and action, if you want to provide to the user, we have implementation user roles like application, implementation, okay, consultant, then application, implementation, manager, then administrator. Okay, like that, we have the application implementation consultant roles also. Let me search for them. See, the Aura one I'm picking team, then application implementation manager. Okay, then application implementation administrator. So these roles. Now what I am doing for my Pramod account, I added all my module related roles and also the implementation roles, security related role. Now save and close. Now save and close. Now you log in as Pramod and check it out in the system team. What access now Pramod is going to get in the system? Now it's done. See, now for Pramod, all the roles got updated along with that basic employee role, all the roles. Now let me log in team. When we working parallelly, immediately they won't show. Once we have to sign out and we have to sign in again. So let me sign out and let me sign in. Now I'm logging in as pramod.triotech. Next. Now see here what access, still it is taking some time. Generally, some people will tell that we have to run some concurrent LDAP process and all. But for one or two accounts, that's not required team. So just you can wait for a couple of seconds, it will reflect. Okay. So let me log in again. If not, I will switch another window and I will try it out now. I'll do from here, team. Sometimes the browser issues also will be there to get the changes reflected. Now let me sign out from my current browser and let me log in, team. With Pramod account, I will log in. Okay. Now I'm logging in as a pramod.triotech. Let me click on next button. Here the system is also very slow. That is the reason the reflection is taking some time. Now see team, when I log in with pramod.triotech, now the access, you please feel it. Everything that what I have coming up, see now, sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, whatnot. Now if I go to tools work area here, If I go to tools work area here, I could able to see the security console also coming here. See, security console also coming up. Navigator, everything I could able to see here now. And if I go to the right side, settings and action, now the administration area also came to Pramod. How these things came to Pramod now? Purely based upon the roles that we tagged to Pramod. So RBAC concept is this one thing. So for every module, Oracle delivers seeded roles. In order to access them, these roles Oracle telling. So whenever we are in the project, whenever we create user accounts for all of our team members, we will create the account like this and we will tag all the module related roles to our accounts so that when we log in with our accounts, we will have full access to client application. All access we will be getting team. So this is how the user account creation in the Fusion system will be handled.